same old route down this dirt makes me hurt. Gas tank low, but I still go. Where I'm from ain't for everyone. Back road blood in my veins, yeah. Broken chains, heavy rains. Born and bred, never fled, 'cause cold in my head. Back road blood, back road blood. Through the mud, through the mud, through the flood. Stop, listen close now. This ain't just talk, this is how I walk. Daddy's hands built this land. Brother's back, stay on track. Come, mama's prayer, always there. When I fall, heed the call. Back stars above, push and shove. Heart beats hard, battle scarred. Flag flies high, don't ask why. This is me, born to be free. Back road blood in my veins, yeah. Broken chains, heavy rains. Born and bred, never fled. Country cold in my head. Back road blood, back road blood. Through the mud, through the mud, through the flood. Mud on my boots, mud on my boots. Same old route. Started young on these back roads, dust in my lungs. Daddy taught me how to work, how to fight, how to run. Muddy boots on the gas truck bed full of pride. Small town bred rebel heart, ain't got nothing to hide. We're dirt road kings, dirt road kings. Engine loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Dirt road kings, cold beer raised high, this is our town. We're dirt road kings, born to be free, raised to be strong. Dirt road kings, this is where we belong. Brotherhood runs deeper than the creek behind the mill. Brothers got my back when world gets too real. American flag waving from my antenna high. Country blood pumping, we were born to fly. Bonfire burning bright on a Saturday night. Sipping something cold till the morning light. We're dirt road kings, engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Dirt road kings, cold beer raised high, this is our town. We're dirt road kings, born to be free, raised to be strong. Dirt road kings, this is where we be. Try to change us, but we ain't gonna bend. These roots run deep, this ain't gonna end. From the holler to the highway, we make our stand. Dirt road royalty, across this land. We're dirt road kings, dirt road kings. We're dirt road kings, dirt road kings. Oh, we're dirt road kings, dirt road kings. Angel loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Dirt road kings, cold beer raised high, this is our town. We're dirt road kings, born to be free, raised to be strong. Dirt road kings, this is where we belong. Dirt road kings, yeah, we're dirt road kings. Granddaddy's hands built this place from the ground up. Callous fingers, broken back, never gave up. Now I'm 25, still wearing his old boots. Walking the same land where he planted his roots. They say I'm stubborn like him, anger in my veins when the bank comes calling with their corporate games. This ain't just property lines drawn on some map. This is generations of sweat, ain't no turning back. They want what we got, but they don't understand the price that we paid for this piece of land. Blood and dirt, that's all we are. Blood and dirt, running through my heart. You can't buy what we're made of. You can't fake what we're made of. Blood and dirt, that's my word, that's my word. Mama taught me how to fight for what's mine. Stand your ground, boy, don't you cross that line. When the city folks come with their fancy plans, they don't see the graves of my own kinfolk in the sand. I work construction 40 hours every week. Come home covered in dust, hands torn and weak. But Saturday morning, I'm out here again, fixing fence posts that my daddy's daddy pinned. They want what we got, but they don't understand the price that we paid for this piece of land. Blood and dirt, that's all we are. Blood and dirt, running through my heart. You can't buy what we're made of. You can't fake what we're made of. Blood and dirt, that's my word, that's my word. When they tear down the old barn, when they pave over the creek, when they say we're just backwards, that's when I find my peace in knowing who I am. So let them laugh at my truck, let them judge my clothes. I know where I come from and that's all I need to know. This dirt's in my bloodstream, this fight's in my soul. 3 generations deep, I ain't letting go. When I have kids someday, I'll teach them the same. Honor your family, never run from the pain. Cause we're more than just people trying to get by with a backbone of something that money can't buy. But I dirt, that's all we are. Blood and dirt, running through my heart. You can't buy what we're made of. You can't fake what we're made of. Blood and dirt, that's my word, that's my word. Blood and dirt, that's my word, that's my word. Kicks up, cold beer in the sea. Sun burning on tin, boots hang off off my feet. Helly in my mirror, rebel by design. If you roll through the dust, you're a friend of mine. Moon hanging low, bonfire heat, steel guitar cry in the dark of the creek. Proud as the stripes, wild as belief. Let it breathe, let it rain. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Bang the tailgate, faces in the crowd. Raise a flag to the sky, let the echoes sound. Southern blood never shut, standing strong right now. Yeah. Blood on your hands, boots caked and proof. Old banjo bend, rubber growling the truth. Laughs by the fire, banners caught in wind. If you roll up here, you better know what it's been. Slide steel moans, sipping on spite. Harmonica fate, waking up the night. Pride for the lost, love for the found. Let the dogs bay, let the ground shake. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Banging the tailgate, faces in the crowd. Raise a flag to the sky, let the echoes sound. Southern blood never shut, standing strong right now. Call out across the brush. Ghost of the beat ain't never in a rush. Miles in the rear view, promising dirt. Brother, this is home, you can wear every hurt. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Bang the tailgate, faces in the crowd. Raise a flag to the sky, let the echoes sound. Southern blood never shut, standing strong right now. Wave on boots, raised by firelight. Banjo plucks over dusty wind.
808 humming low, slide guitar sneaking in.
She was born on the far edge of town. Red clay boots hidden gravel brown. Sweat on her brow in the morning glow, making each dollar last, stacking hay in a row. Mama taught her lessons that stuck like tar. Learned how to fix what broke in the yard. Never was flashy, never liked the crowd. Hung in the sun till the sky turned proud. Big dreams tucked back on the shelf. Work came first and she carried herself. A heart like August, burning slow. But nobody guessed how fierce she'd grow. Slide guitar rolls, trap hi-hat stutters. 808's building up the heat. Raised on cracked old road, she's chasing the wind tonight. Tailgate heirloom, spirit never left that fight. Bonfire in her eyes, country core with swagger on. Freedom wasn't given, she claimed it all. Four-wheel spinning, paint chip blue. Friday lit up with a rowdy crew. Boots on the dash, trouble in mind. Pulled by freedom and left rules behind. Never begged anyone for a crown. She rode up high when the sun went down. Clever with lips sharp as a knife. Flipped every script, lived her own life. Cornfield dancing, star-drunk sway. Told off the ones who stood in her way. She found pride where the wild things roam. Her story stamped on chrome and long. Raised on cracked old road, she's chasing the wind tonight. Tailgate heirloom, spirit never left that fight. style, wilder eyes, country cool with swagger raw. Freedom wasn't given, she claimed it all. Freedom wasn't given, she claimed it all. Freeze on, half torn, she keeps them in, I ain't going in hell, demo. Give them a fat flight. Fall now, her license full, swiker it all. Freedom wasn't given, she claimed it all. Born in the dirt, raised on the land. Daddy's old Ford, wrench in my hand. Sun beats down, sweat on my back. Following trails, ain't looking back. Ain't looking back, ain't looking back. Blood and dust, all we are, that's what we trust. Blood and dust, rise from the ground when the world gets rough. Blood and dust, never gonna fold, never gonna rust. Blood and dust, that's who we are, that's what we trust. Boots hit the ground at 5 a.m. Work till dark, then work again. Calloused hands and a stubborn heart. Been this way right from the start, right from the start, right from the start. Mama's prayers and Papa's scars, written in the paint of beat up cars. Generation after generation built this life on dedication. Blood and dust, all we are, that's what we trust. Blood and dust, rise from the ground when the world gets rough. Blood and dust, never gonna fall, never gonna rust. Blood and dust, that's who we are, that's what we say. When the rain comes down, we stand our ground. When the wind blows hard, we guard our yard. Yeah. Blood and dust. Brothers beside me, sisters too. Family tree with roots so true. What we got might not be much, but it's ours and that's enough. That's enough. Lessons learned from loss and pain. Dancing wild in summer rain. Every scar tells where we've been. Every dawn we rise again. Blood and dust, all we are, that's what we trust. Blood and dust, rise from the ground when the world gets rough. Blood and dust, never gonna fall, never gonna rust. Blood and dust, that's who we are, that's what we trust. Blood and dust, blood and dust. Blood and dust, blood and dust. That's who we are, that's what we trust. Talking, headlight bleeding through the fog, go for coffin, banjo spitting in the dark, clay stuck treads, whiskey grit on my tongue, hands on the wheel, but my heart's on the run. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Mud flies, boots pound, footprints paint this town. Wave the flag, light the fire, we own this ground. Raise a glass, sing it out, we don't quit now. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Mud flies, boots pound, footprints paint this town. Wave the flag, light the fire, we own this ground. Raise a glass, sing it out, we don't quit now. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Mud flies, boots pound, footprints paint this town. Wave the flag, light the fire, we own this ground. Raise a glass, sing it out, we don't quit now. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. moon, slice on chrome. I roam past corn and pine, dust up in my teeth, freedom riding every line. Red dirt in my marrow, scars knotted in my spine. Kin folks scattered on both banks of the county line. Tailgate theater sparks swirling in the sky. Beer cans clink as my brother calls a bluff. He laughs as let's ride, we ain't found enough rough. Every mile's a wager, every rut's a reply. Small town on my jacket, stitch right under skin. When the wind won't back me, I go harder in. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Mud flies, boots pound, footprints paint this town. Wave the flag, light the fire, we own this ground. Raise a glass, sing it out, we don't quit now. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Con furia, la tierra vuela atrás. Botas salpicadas, sudor entre la paz. Mi gente me llama, orgullo su mirar. Aquí empiezo, nunca voy a abandonar. River bends twisting, catch the sun before it sank. My story's chiseled from dust, wild on this bank. Bonfires, anthem stitched in the sound. Brotherhood bouncing as the wheels spin around. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Butterflies, boots pound, footprints paint this town. Loud, hearts proud, never backing down.
Yeah, mud, mud on my boots, flag in the wind. This is how we ride, this is how we live.
Born in the sticks where the pavement ends. Gravel in my blood and I'm ripping my friends. Pickup truck rocking with the speakers bumping. Small town swagger, yeah, we always stuntin'. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Tailgate parties when the sun goes down. Bonfire blazing on the edge of town. Cold beer cracking with my brothers tight. American dream underneath starlight. Work all week with these callous hands, but come the weekend we own this land. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Outlaw blood pumping through these country veins. Rebel spirit running wild, can't be contained. Muddy water splashing from the tire treads. Freedom in my soul, patriot born and bred. From the holler to the highway, this is our ground. When trouble comes knocking, we stand our ground. Engines loud, hearts proud, never backing down. Ride dirty roads with our heads held high. Southern roots run deep, that's our battle cry. Brotherhood strong, loyalty runs thick. Country boy anthem, this is how we kick. Yeah, yeah, engines loud, hearts proud. Girl kings, never backing down. You think you know what power is? Come ride these dirt roads with me. Watch how we turn dust into kingdom. Every mile marked by our bloodline. Fuck your city limits, boy. We built this from nothing but calloused hands and stubborn hearts. Generation after generation. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down. This is our ground, our crown. Back road kings run this town. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down from you. See that flag hanging from the porch? That's 3 wars and counting, son. Your respect ain't worth a damn when you don't know where you stand. We don't need your validation, just the roar beneath our boots. Every scar tells our story. Every bruise proves we're still here. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down. This is our ground, our crown. Back road kings run this town. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down from you. Brotherhood runs deeper than your shallow understanding. We die for dirt and die for kin. You wouldn't fucking get it. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down, but you are crown, our crown. Back road teams on and down. Engines loud, hearts proud. Never backing down from engines loud, hearts proud. Backing down. Never backing down. Banjo plucks, 808 growing. Guitar slow, boot dust settle in. Air thick, sun dips low. Pedal click, back roads twist, I'm cruising by. Friday night, eyes on the sky. Boots kick, dust in the bed. Gravel crap, words unsaid. Town small, my heart wide. Sweat on my brow, work I provide. Behind that fancy hair, hands rough, head clear, fancy no, mirror stick, she left quick, now I pick, whistle tune, bring the light, road keeps rolling, hold on tight, faded sign, still I roam, hum and hum, I truck my home. Slide that guitar snare roll quick, starlit haze, firewood click. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. In the mud, still my spirit won't hide. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Repeat that line, bonfire pride. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Boots in the mud, still my spirit won't hide. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Repeat that line, bonfire pride. Truck shine, country ride 3 wide. Swagger my stride, take it outside. Heat in my boots, kick up, that's right. Sunset freedom, chase all night. Straw my teeth, hat tip low. Swagger and grit, never slow. Laughter loud, beer real cold. Bonfire kings don't need gold. Friday comes, we light it up. Wheels spin and run it up. Moon up high, friends in sight. Sweating swagger, feeling right. Wind in my face, pulse in my vein. Bonfire laughs, get the pains. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Boots in the mud, still my spirit won't hide. Raised on dirt roads, repeat that line. Bonfire pride, raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Boots in the mud, still my spirit won't hide. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine outside. Repeat that line. Bonfire pride. 808 slow, boots in the dust. Bonfire flicker, repeat that line. Bonfire pride, let it echo, fade with time. Raised on dirt roads, I shine outside.